Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good, and I also hope that you all are practicing well for the exams. Hope so. Today, let's revise third and fourth lesson question answers along with the objectives, children. Okay? As you all know that exams are around the corner. So let's get started. First one is complete the following sentences with the words from the box. In the exam, you will be given the two options. You have to choose the right one. Okay, children? So the first question is, we need dash to stay healthy. We need what? We need food. Okay? Food will cover all the items like the fruits, vegetables, grains, meat, etc. Okay? That is the reason why we are focusing on the food, not just the fruits or vegetables. Okay? So we need food to stay healthy. Next, we get our food from dash and dash. Of course, we get food from both the plants and animals. Plants like what are the things that we get from the plants? We get rice, wheat, fruits, vegetables, isn't it? And from the animals, we get the eggs, honey, milk, meat, etc. Right? So we get food from both the plants and animals. Next, milk, eggs and dal help us to dash. If you have milk and eggs and also the dal, then it will help you to grow your body, children. Okay? So milk, eggs and dal help us to grow. Next, fresh vegetables and fruits keep us healthy. So if you want to be healthy, then you have to eat the fresh fruits and vegetables, not the rotten one. Okay? Next, bread, rice and roti give us dash to work and play. Bread, rice and roti will give us energy to work and play, right? This is the reason why, children, we should have all kinds of food. Why? Because some food will help you to grow your body, some will help you to give the energy, some will help you to protect you from the diseases, right? This is the reason why we should have all kinds of food. Okay? Next, right? Yes or no? First question is, we have breakfast in the evening? No. Why? Because we have breakfast in the morning, not in the evening, children. So answer is no. Next, all kinds of food are healthy? No. All food are not healthy. Some are junk food that are not healthy for us, isn't it? Next, we get milk from cows? Yes. We also get milk from the goat and also buffaloes, children. Okay? Next, we can have any meal at any time? No, we should have right meal at the right time, like the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Next is, food is important for all of us? Yes. Why? Because it will keep you healthy and fit. Okay? Next bit is, name the following. Name two fruits, children. You can write any two fruits. That is, for example, you take here as example apple and orange. APPLE apple, ORANGE orange. Okay? Next, two vegetables, spinach and tomato. You can write any other vegetables also. What is spinach, children? It is palak. Okay? Next, a food that help us to grow are egg, milk, etc. Next, a food that gives us energy to work and play. What are they? They are the bread, butter and so on, etc. Okay? Next, the main meal that we have at night is dinner. At night, what you will have? You will have the dinner, right, children? Next, first meal of the day is breakfast, isn't it? Next, here are some food habits. So, color the circles for good food habits in green and those for bad food habits in red. So, the first one is wash hands before and after each meal. It's a good habit, right? So you should color it with the green color. Next, waste food, it's a bad habit, so red color. Talk while eating, bad habit, red color. Eat with our mouth open, bad habit, so it's a red color here. Next, wash fruits before eating them, yes, so answer is green color here. Okay, children? Next, people living in different places in India eat different kinds of food. Write the correct letters in the boxes to match the food with the picture. You can take the help of your teacher or parents. So here options are given. You have to look at the picture and write the first letter of that name. Okay, first is what? Look at the picture here. It is chole bhature, right? So it starts from C, right? So answer is C here. Next, what is this, children? It is idli sambar, and idli sambar it starts with I, so I here. Next is what? It's pav bhaji, so pav bhaji starts with P, so P here. Next, what is this, children? This is Rosagulla, so it starts with R. Okay. Next, here are some healthy and unhealthy food, children. You have to choose the right one and write in the healthy box and unhealthy food in this box. Okay. First is what? Banana, rice, eggs, pulses, fish, wheat. These are the healthy food. Unhealthy are what? Burger, pasta, french fries, potato chips, ice cream, soft drinks. These are unhealthy. Okay. Now let's revise the question answers of this lesson, children. So here we go. So the first question is, why do we need food, children? We need food to stay healthy. HEALTHY, healthy. We need food to stay healthy. Okay, next, which are the three main meals of the day? There are three. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. BREAKFAST, fast, breakfast. LUNCH, lunch. DINNER, dinner. So what are the three meals of the day? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Next, name two foods we get from animals. Milk and meat. MILK, milk. AND and MEAT, meat. Next, name two foods we get from plants. Fruits and vegetables. FRUITS, fruits. VEGETABLES, vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Now let's revise the fourth lesson's objectives and question answers, children. Okay, so here we go. First bit is tick the correct sentences and cross the sentences that are incorrect. First is, we need clothes to protect us from heat and cold. Yes, clothes will protect us from heat, cold, rain and also from the dirt and dust, right? Next, in the hot summer we wear woolen clothes, children? No. Why? Because we wear the light cotton clothes in the hot summer, not the woolen clothes. Next, people living in cold places need to wear light cotton clothes? No. Answer is cross here. Why? Because in cold places, people will wear the woolen clothes, warm clothes. Okay. Next, in India people wear clothes according to the place where they live. Yes, depending upon the place where they live, people will wear the dresses. Okay. Next, some people wear uniforms so that we can easily know who they are. Yes, by looking at the uniform you can guess who the people is, right? Who the people are. Okay, so answer is right here. Next, fill in the blanks. You can choose your answer from the help box. You people will be given the options, children. Two options, you have to choose the right one. Okay. First, people in India wear different types of dash. They wear different types of clothes, isn't it? CLOTHES, clothes. Next, uniform sometimes help to dash the person wearing it. Uniform sometimes help to protect the person wearing it. Like here, firefighters will have the special uniform so that they don't get any burns while putting off the fire. So some uniforms will protect the persons. Okay, children. Next, clean clothes make us look smart. If you wear the clean clothes, you look smart, isn't it? Next, light cotton clothes help to keep our body cool, right? Next, choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer from these two, children. Okay. First one is, we wear dash clothes in different seasons. We wear same clothes or different clothes in different seasons? We wear different clothes in different seasons, isn't it? We can't wear the same dress in every season. Next, we wear dash clothes in summer. Cotton clothes or woolen clothes? Of course, we wear woolen clothes in summer season, right? Next, when it rains, we wear dash to keep us dry. What we wear? We wear raincoats, isn't it? Next, people living in cold places mostly wear heavy woolen clothes. Gloves, pullovers and mufflers are dash clothes. They are the winter clothes. Okay. Next, look at the special uniforms these people are wearing. Pick the right words from the box to write who these people are. So every uniform shows a different professions, right? First one is, by looking at the uniform you can guess that who is he is a chef, isn't it? Next is a nurse. Next is soldier, soldier, soldier. Next is the lawyer. Next is the postman. So by looking at the uniform you can guess who they are, isn't it? So uniforms are the special clothes that are used to identify who the people are. Okay. Next, look at the pictures. Write the correct numbers in the circles to match the types of clothes people are wearing. First, salwar kameez, who is wearing? This lady. Sari, this. Dress, this girl is wearing it. Kurta pajama, this man is wearing. T-shirt, this boy is wearing. Right? Now let's revise the question answers of this lesson, children. So here we go. Why should we wear clothes, children? We should wear clothes because it protects us from the heat, cold and rain. Okay. When do we usually wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay. Where do we get cotton from? We get cotton from cotton plants. Which insect gives us silk? Silkworm gives us silk. Next, what kind of clothes are uniforms? Uniforms are the special clothes. Okay. Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our 2 lessons revision. We'll catch up in the next video with the next 2 lesson revision. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, practice hard. Allah Hafiz.